Most people spend over 90% of their lives indoors under artificial illumination. We work under fluorescent tubes, stare at blue-lit screens, and wonder why chronic fatigue, mild anxiety, and low motivation have become default human experiences. We treat mood as a purely psychological phenomenon, forgetting that our brains are biological organs evolved to operate under the sky. What if a significant portion of your emotional baseline isn't about your personal problems, but simply about the quality of light entering your eyes every single morning? Light is the foundation of our biological clock. To understand why light alters human emotion, we have to look deep inside the human brain. At the back of your retina sit specialized non-visual cells called intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells. These cells do not help you see shapes or colors. Their sole job is to detect the intensity of natural light and send a direct electrical signal straight to your brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. When bright natural photons hit these receptors early in the day, your brain triggers a rapid cascade of critical neurochemicals. First, it stimulates the synthesis of serotonin, the key neurotransmitter responsible for emotional stability, calm focus, and mood regulation. This chemical foundation is what allows for true emotional resilience throughout the day. At the same time, it suppresses daytime melatonin and optimizes cortisol production, giving you sustainable alertness without the jittery spike associated with excess caffeine. When you spend your morning indoors behind double-paned glass or immediately immerse your eyes in smartphone screen light, your master clock loses its biological anchor. The consequences go far beyond just feeling a little tired. Without that early serotonin surge, emotional resilience drops. Small daily stressors feel significantly heavier. Irritability rises, and overthinking increases, clouding your ability to process the world clearly. Furthermore, because daytime serotonin is the direct precursor to nighttime melatonin, lack of sunlight during the day directly degrades sleep quality at night. You end up trapped in a quiet, frustrating cycle. Poor sleep leads to low mood. Low mood reduces your motivation to go outside, and a lack of daylight keeps your brain clock continuously misaligned. Breaking this cycle is simpler than you might think, and it starts with a single habit. Fortunately, fixing this biological mismatch doesn't require drastic lifestyle shifts or expensive equipment. Here is a simple, science-backed blueprint you can start using today. First, get outside within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of direct outdoor exposure on clear days or 20 to 30 minutes on overcast days. Remember that window glass filters out crucial wavelengths of light, so stepping outdoors is essential. Second, pair your light exposure with simple movement, a brief, relaxed morning walk. Significantly enhances neural circulation and amplifies the neurotransmitter release. Third, as evening approaches, dim artificial lights and limit screen exposure to allow your natural melatonin production to rise smoothly, completing your brain's natural light-dark cycle. Reconnecting with natural rhythms is the most direct path to clarity and vitality. Human psychology and biology are deeply intertwined with the natural world. By making a simple effort to reconnect with natural sunlight, you give your mind the foundational tools it needs for balance. The light of the sun isn't just for sight, it's for your soul. If understanding people fascinates you, tap follow and subscribe for more science-backed insights into human behavior. Illuminate your mind. See you in the next one.